SMG provides metallurgical turnkey project solutions for customers worldwide. As a globally leading supplier of metallurgical turnkey projects, SMG is committed to developing cost-effective customized turnkey solutions for steel production lines for every client. In this session, SMG invites you to step into a modern intelligent steel manufacturing workshop and take a panoramic tour of the automated section steel production line. Glowing hot billets emerge slowly from the reheating furnace. The two-high reversing mill BD1 acts like the first bite of a colossal steel beast. Through repeated feeding, discharging and rolling, the crude billet is rapidly elongated. Flowing downstream, the BD2 mill takes over for further refining. Amid thunderous mechanical roars, the glowing hot steel sheds bulky form under the powerful compression of massive rolls, and the sturdy framework of section steel begins to take shape. The universal continuous rolling unit performs precise rolling, where the hot profile takes shape. Upon entering the intelligent hydraulic walking cooling bed, the ferocity of glowing hot steel gradually subsides. The precise long-length pre-bending process reshapes steel with steadfast rigidity. The online straightening process eliminates all bends with absolute mechanical precision. After orderly gathering on the grouping rack, rows of steel giants line up, posed to undergo a final treatment. The cold saw emits a sharp screech, with sparks flying brilliantly like shooting stars. The indomitable cutting blade delivers precision length section steel through pinpoint cutting tolerances. Iron scraps fly as the fully automatic milling and drilling unit carries out precise drilling. Every hole position is accurate to the minutest fraction. From one-stop project implementation to cost-effective delivery. From customized professional production lines to co-building modern benchmark projects. With a global vision, SMG integrates intelligent manufacturing capabilities, stands side by side with you, and jointly pursues high-quality development of the steel industry. Choose SMG. Live up to your trust.